April Fool's prank gone wrong. Nagpatattoo si kuya sa noo dahil akala niya makakuha siya ng 100k as premyo. So yung Taragis, nag-post nito nung April Fools na kapag magpalagay sila ng Taragis logo sa noo, yung unang magpalagay ay makakaroon ng 100,000. At si kuya, nagpatattoo siya. Si Kuya Ramil ay nag-comment sa original post, "Sir, nag-PM po ako sa inyo, ginagawa na po. Wait po ako ng chat ninyo." Tas dito rin, "Sir, ako na yan, nag-PM po ako." At si Taragis ay na-shocked. And they didn't want to take responsibility for their bad April Fool's prank. Sabi, "Let this serve as a reminder to us all how important reading comprehension is. It's April Fool's Day. Never trust anything or anyone the same as any other day. Once more, Taragis Takoyaki is not accountable for the events that occurred. Thank you." It seems na nagawa ni Sir Ramil yun dahil